Hey, got another DSR Farms video, and gonna do some stuffed jalapeno pepper cheese popper things. I'm not 100% sure how this is gonna work out, but in my mind, it's gonna work out great. So we're just gonna get these things together and pop in the oven and see what happens. Okay, I've got these jalapenos. They're washed, and then I just cut the end off of it.
And I'm gonna put these in later.
Yep. And I'm just going to split these right in half. And then what I do on these is just kind of come in through the side right there and cut that vein out, and then do it on the opposite side and get all those seeds out, because they're going to be like overwhelmingly hot probably if you don't do that. And we'll go ahead and get both of these. Okay, I've got these de-seeded, and make sure that if you're sensitive, like your skin is sensitive or whatever, wear gloves. Don't touch your eyes or go to the bathroom or anything before you wash your hands, because it's going to be pretty painful. But I get these put on this tray right here, and I've got some of these with some mozzarella, and I've got some with some sharp cheddar, and I'm just going to do these two with sharp cheddar. And what I've done on these links is cut them to about the right length of the cavity, and then I'll just split them in half and then turn them over. Can you put a toothpick in for me? Put it right there. Yep. Go all the way through the pepper. You got another toothpick? Okay. We'll put that one in right there. And I've got my oven preheated to 350. It's going to depend on the thickness of your peppers and stuff. The sausage is cooked. I browned it in the skillet already, so don't have to worry about that. But we're just going to cook these till the peppers get tender. So I'm going to go about 20 minutes and then check them, and we'll figure out how long it takes.
Hey, Mom.
All right, yeah, they went right at 20 minutes, and the cheese is melted, obviously, and the pepper seems to be pretty soft. So I'm going to call that done. And they smell really good. Like, the sausage really comes through, and then the whole house smells just slightly of jalapeno. But yeah, overall they look really good, I think, and it's just a cool take on a stuffed jalapeno. I think they're going to be really good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down and tell me what you would do different. But overall, I'm counting this as a success. I can't get my words out, but that's what it is. Thanks for clicking.